Hey team, hope you are doing well. I'm Dr. AJ Cerno, Chief Dental Officer of Smile Brands. I first want to thank all of you for what you do for your team members and your patients. The team member and patient experience is the most important part of getting to our vision of Smiles for Everyone and elevating our standard of care and expanding our access to care, which of course is our mission. Today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our clinical team that we have grown over the last year and here to support you all in all things clinical. So I wanted to just kind of introduce some of those folks and then a real important resource page here at the end. So first and foremost, I want to introduce Dr. Jason Genta, Vice President of Clinical Operations, deals with all our aspects of all our initiatives in clinical. Jason, a little fun fact, was my first dental hire in my career. So as when Jason graduated, he graduated from my alma mater, Creighton University. I met Jason and of course we hired him and we knew he was a superstar from the beginning, and we're very excited for him to lead our team and to be a presence in front of all of you. Tammy Filipiak, who is our Vice President of Hygiene. If you have not heard Tammy speak, you are missing out. Tammy is a former American Hygiene Association president. If I went through all of Tammy's accolades over the years, we would be here forever. But Tammy is a worldwide speaker. She knows everything about hygiene. She is very influential, and honestly, I learn from her every day. We're very lucky to have Tammy a part of our team. We have Dr. Matt Wellebeer, the chairman of the clinical board, well-accomplished dentist out of Vegas. Dr. Matt Wellebeer also is the chair of our implant department. His specialty of dealing with implants and all things implants is immense, and his surgical skills are unbelievable. Very happy to have Matt help us lead both our PC presidents and our clinical board and our chair of the implant department. And then we have Star Sills. Star Sills is our vice president of ortho. If you have any question in ortho, I have never seen one resource where you could just ask any question and they know it. Star is that person, and we, again, very lucky to have her a part of our team, and she'll be heading up all things clear aligners, all things ortho. She has already helped us tremendously on our journey of clear aligners, and can't thank Star enough for being a part of the team. And then the rounded up Kat Snyder. Kat is our project manager of all things clinical. Any type of rollout or anything in there, Kat has her hands in there. Her attention to detail and what she does for us is unbelievable. And she is actually the designer of something that I want to talk to next, which is our clinical resource page. You have seen that come through in a lot of emails. By the way, emails are important because that's how we communicate. But Kat has a design for us a clinical resource page, something that has been on Jason and I's a table forever, and wanting to do this because everybody asks, like, well, Dr. Cerno, where do I go? How do I know where the CE events are? And by the way, I missed that meeting. I want to go to that video. And where do I find this consent page and this and that? And it's really was kind of all over the board. We are now starting to put everything into one spot. That is the clinical resource page. Everything that I just talked about, videos, CE, calendars, consent forms, and you name it, will be on that clinical resource page. It should be up in there for you. It should be right there that you can click on it and be able to get to that. We want to support everybody in their growth. We understand there's obstacles out there, whether it's a patient obstacle, whether it's a patient flow obstacle, whether it's treatment acceptance or whatever it is. We know there are obstacles out there, but our goal is to get through those obstacles. As dentists, we are here to grow in our career. As hygienists, we want to grow in our career. All those around us that are supporting us, we want to grow in our career, and we want to help you do that. We want to continue to support you in doing that, getting over these obstacles and getting through those and seeing some greater things on the other end. That is our job. That is what we're here for and dedicated to every single one of you. So please do not hesitate to reach out to us. On the clinical resource page is all our information. We want you to reach out for us. We want to hear from you, and you'll continue to hear from us. Again, email is the most important aspect in regards to there, and the clinical resource page. Thank you so much for all you do. Thank you.